derivative of a composite function. If y is differentiable function of u, where u is differentiable function of x, then derivative of y with respect to x can be written as derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by derivative of u with respect to x. Now suppose we have y is x plus 2x raised to power 2. Okay. Now I am considering this as u. So we can write u equals to x plus 2x. So we can write y equals to u raised to power 2. So now this y is in terms of u, is a function of u, and u is a function of x. So we can write derivative of y with respect to x as derivative of y with respect to u, and then derivative of u with respect to x. So first derivative of y with respect to u. So derivative of y with respect to u. What is y? Y is u square. So it is derivative of u square with respect to u. We are using power rule here. It is nothing but 2u 2 minus 1. It's same as this. If we are finding derivative of x raised to power n with respect to x, it is n times x n minus 1. Now this is derivative of u raised to power 2 with respect to u. So it is 2 times u 2 minus 1 and u n minus 1, which is nothing but 2 times u as 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. So we got this part. Now next is derivative of u with respect to x. Derivative of u with respect to x. What is u? U is x plus 2x. So x plus 2x divided by dx. First we need to derivate x. So derivative of x is nothing but 1 plus derivative of 2x is 2. So we can write this as 3. So altogether derivative of y with respect to x can be written as 2u multiplied by 3. What is u? U is x plus 2x and this is 3. So we can write this as 6 times x plus 2x. The other way for solving this is we have y as x plus 2x square. So again we are using same rule. It is called as a chain rule. So derivative of y with respect to x can be written as derivative of y with respect to u into derivative of u with respect to x. So we have to derivate this first and then derivate this part, because we are considering this as u. So we have to derivate this and then derivate u. So it is 2 times x plus 2x 2 minus 1 and derivative of x plus 2x with respect to x. So we can write this as 2 into x plus 2x and derivative of this, it is 1 plus 2. So we can write this as 2 times x plus 2x into 3, which is 6 times x plus 2x. Second example. Now here we have y equals to log of 1 plus x square. So this 1 plus x square I am taking it as u. So let 1 plus x square is u. So derivative of y with respect to x can be written as derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by derivative of u with respect to x. So first let's write this y. Now what is y in this case? Y is log of u, wherein u is 1 plus x square. We are replacing this 1 plus x square by u. So first log this derivative of y with respect to u, and y is log of u with respect to u. Now derivative of log of x with respect to x is 1 upon x. So derivative of log of u with respect to u is 1 upon u. So we got this. Next is derivative of u with respect to x. Derivative of u with respect to x. Now in this case u is 1 plus x square, the substitution. So it is 1 plus x square by derivative of x. Okay. So derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of any constant is 0 plus derivative of x square. Now power here is 2, so this will be 2x 2 minus 1. So derivative of any power function, it is n times x raised to power n minus 1, and n in this case is 2, so it will be 2x 2 minus 1. So this is 2x. Now substituting back, derivative of y with respect to x is derivative of y with respect to u and derivative of u with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to u is 1 upon u. This is 1 upon u, and derivative of u with respect to x is 2x. This is 2x. Now again, this u is nothing but 1 plus x square, so replace that. This will be 1 plus x square into 2x. So derivative of y with respect to x is 2x upon 1 plus x square. Next example. In this case, y is given as x square plus 4x plus e raised to power x raised to power 4. So I am substituting this three terms as u. So let x square plus 4x plus e raised to power x equals to u. So we can write y as u raised to power 4. Now we got y in terms of u and u in terms of x. So we can use now chain rule. So derivative of y with respect to x can be written as derivative of y with respect to u multiplied by derivative of u with respect to x. Let's start with this. Derivative of y with respect to u. So this is our y, it is u raised to power 4. So we need to find derivative of u raised to power 4 with respect to u. Again, it is a power function, and derivative of power function, that is x raised to power n, is nothing but n times x raised to power n minus 1. In this case, n is 4. This is 4 u 4 minus 1, n minus 1. It is 4 u cube. Okay. So we got this. Now we need to find derivative of u with respect to x. Derivative of u with respect to x. What is u? U is x square plus 4x plus e raised to power x, and we need to derivate it with respect to x. The derivative of x square, again power function, so n is 2, so it will be 2x 2 minus 1, 2x 2 minus 1 plus 4 is a constant, power here is 1, so this will be 1x 1 minus 1 plus derivative of exponential function is function itself, so it will remain as it is. Now this can be written as 2x 2 minus 1, which is 1, plus 4 x raised to power 0 plus e raised to power x, and we know that anything raised to power 0 is always 1. So we can write this further as 2x plus 4 plus e raised to power x, which is derivative of u with respect to x. Now substitute back in this. So basically we are finding derivative of y with respect to x, which is derivative of y with respect to u into derivative of u with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to u is 4u cube. This is 4u cube multiplied by derivative of u with respect to x, and derivative of u with respect to x is 2x plus 4 plus e raised to power x. Again we have to substitute back value of u. U is x square plus 4x plus e raised to power x. So substitute this back. So u is x square plus 4x plus e raised to power x multiplied by 2x plus 4 plus e raised to power x. So this is derivative of a function y with respect to x when y is given as x square plus 4x plus e raised to power x raised to power 4.